camo hat. She's a fill up the van and never look back. Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand out the window when surfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down, can't count what I'd give to be.
Alam mo yung bed nila, ano? Yung bed nila.
So, kamusta?
Sobrang, comfy.
Mahal tong mga to. Kasi talagang di siya basta-basta na bubukas. 'Di ba? 375. Kakaiba yung ano nila. Kakaiba yung shape.
Yeah. What about this one?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Cute.
So, meron na silang setup. So, kung gusto nyong gayahin, yung ganitong setup, pwede rin. Ayan. So,
Ang cute niya, guys. Gusto siya si
salad bowl.
Yan, na-imagine mo na ba? Hindi sopas yan.
Sopas.
Ganun.
Ah, hindi ba manipis?
Pero baba? Black.
Pwede black. Pwede black. So, meron silang 190. Ha? 190 na lang. From 690. Ganda. Tapos,
Okay. Oh, wait.
290 yung mga unit from 495.
Walang small, ibang color.
1,590. Pwede na. Mas mura pa to sa Uniqlo.
Maganda din.
Oo, maganda din. Para hindi ka palaging black. Mm-mm.
Kasi ito, slim eh.
Ayan, okay. Sige, try mo yung ibang pants. Chicken rendang.
Double.
Ano yan?
Mahal.
Ay, ang mahal, oh. Natikman mo na to, baby. Love? Natikman mo na to?
Not yet. Not yet. Pag sale,
Mm.
75 lang yun. May green,
Meron din silang Malaysian chicken
may
curry.
green curry rin, Thai.
Oo.
Are you hungry? Kinakain na po namin. Finally, here.
Sige, I'll try.
Oh, you try.
Hindi pa kayo. Hindi ako galing. Ako galing. Isipin ko kung may nandito. May muna ko ba?
Do you like it?
Ang sarap.
Okay, we'll eat muna, guys. So, second mall. Kasi nga, titingin kami ng mga stuff ulit para sa bahay. Nilalakaran natin tonight. And nandun tayo nakapark. So, maulan. Actually, huminto naman na siya. Maambon. And wala akong payo. Nasa parking na iwan ko sa motor. Kaya hindi ko na sinama si Reg. Ako na lang. So, sabi ko sa inyo medyo malayo siya. From uptown area. Pero ganun talaga. Ano na lang, exercise na lang din to. Hopefully, in the coming year, next year, pabila tayo ng kotse. Kasi nga, ako okay lang kung maulan. Huwag lang si Reg. Mahirap kasi kapag nakamotor ka tapos umuulan. So, manifest natin. Here. Ay, Uno. Uno is here.
There's a memory in my head, it's somewhere buried in a mess. You touched me and how could I forget? You brought me to you. There was something about the light, the way that it crashed into your eyes. My whole life started on that night, and I never knew. But every stop sign, every sunrise, every goodbye, everything that I felt with somebody else. Every long day, every heartbreak down the line, it was worth it. 'Cause everything, all that I do, all of it leads.
Sinend ko kay Tess.
Cafe date. Kaninong order to? Muscat. Irish. Then, this is my order. Gusto ko yung ano.
Yung,
Latest.
sarap.
Bango. Bango niya in real life.
Asan yun? Kabe?
Yung Italian roast.
Baby.
So far, nahihilig na kami sa
Gusto na namin yung mga black coffee. Ako pala,
Guys, nakapark kami sa ano.
ako talaga black coffee yung gusto ko. Tapos, siya, parang na-influensyahan kong mag-black coffee.
Alat lang para may tip.
Oh.
Wow.